Today, here's a small parcel of offcuts and small chips, chipped off pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. The white you can see there on some of the materials, reflection of the lights. I'm not going to go through each piece, I don't think, there's too many. But, basically, some of its faces and material, lower grade. That piece hasn't got much on it. Something like that, just cut it into a shape, pendant the way it is. Pieces like this, need to grind the top of it off to go down to the opal level, see what you're going to get. A lot of pieces to look through. Like I say, probably not too many pieces with top gem material, but plenty of stuff to practice with and make some fun shapes. Right, there's a lot of pieces to play with. Correct material there, little veins of colour. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.